pulling up, y'all. Alright, so I had to make another run. Judging by this cart, I'm at Home Depot. I gotta get this going back too, y'all. I missed that trunk build. I got a little something back here. If y'all check out my Instagram, y'all can see the update. Well, not even an update, just, you know, this car is still in action, and I actually got the 212s in here right now. But I got the Sundown SAs in here. And they doing me right. You know, people are like, why you downgrade? It ain't necessarily a downgrade. Upgrades and downgrades, man, y'all base is base. Anybody that watches my videos know why I took the EMFs out. That's because I was having base issues with this car. It actually messed up my fuel line and a couple other things. I'm gonna get that going, get all this stuff together and put it back in. So. Yeah, I told him I need some 8-gauge John Ray, that speaker wire. And I got 8-gauge power wire, but we gonna make it work.
Man, that's fucked up.
Man, you came through in the clutch, bro. I really appreciate you. I'm gonna do something with this. I don't care what it is. It's going in the build, man, because you ain't have to come through. You ain't have to, you ain't have to, you know, do what you do. You could have been like, bro, we ain't got it. And knowing you looking at a big ass roll, so I appreciate you, bro. All right, update time. So this is build vlog number 3. And we have a box. Double baffled all the way around except for the bottom. Let's see here what we got going on is we got PL, the urethane based. A couple of pocket screws. I didn't go with the flange idea. And then for all of these creases here, the PL should stop it. This gap here, I was gonna fill it in with wood. PL, wood, but most likely, since this is like this, I'm gonna fill it in with PL and wood. Over here on this side right here, it's the same thing. Double layered at the top. And of course you see 2 pieces. So basically, you got 1, 2, and then this piece up under here is way longer so that it covers the gap, and it's a lot of, I'm talking about full coverage of glue. So it shouldn't be any air gaps escaping through there. And then if you see at the top, that glue is oozing through the seam. So number 1, maybe 2 braces straight up and down so that it doesn't flex. I'm not worried about side to side because it's not tall enough to do that. These 2 pieces right here are the back double layer. Should I glue it? Yes. I thought about putting the sealing stuff, the gasket. I thought about putting the gasket around it and then putting it on there, but why would I need to access this? Seal it up, call it a day. On the inside, I didn't do anything else extra. This has been taking most of my day just getting it together. I also had to put a battery together for this car. Something spare the moment because unfortunately I don't have any sales available right now. I got literally 4 shipments of batteries coming in and I haven't received any of them yet. First I was starting to get worried, maybe my ship sunk or something, but I got word from my handler that everything is, well, for one of the orders, everything is okay and coming in. He's just slacking. So this is pretty much where I'm at. I'm hoping that I'll be able to meet, get to that show tomorrow. But right now I'm about to go inside and eat. So unfortunately, it's not looking good for the show because I still have to. It's not much left though. I get this braced, covered, get the baffle cut, a bunch of bracing on the inside because now I'm gonna have 3 holes. So that baffle is gonna become very weak. Well, not very weak, but it's going to be very weak for what I'm doing, with them speakers. So, lots of bracing on the inside. Run another set of 8-gauge speaker wire to the rear for the 3rd amp. I'm thinking 3 amps right here. Mids and highs amps still in the same place. So I might have to shift everything over. Now I want to keep everything in the same place because I want to be able to put my cover back on so that I can travel. This space here, I'll be able to put another battery right here. Over here on this side, I'm thinking about squeezing another battery in right here. And then maybe in the front, I might add another battery or two. Or I might put a battery up here. I might make a little shelf and build something up here. Why not? You know, think outside the box. I can even mount it up to this some kind of way. So, lots to do, lots to do. So, stay tuned. Much more to come. Yes, I will be at the show tomorrow. I'm hoping with this car, but if I'm not able to make it with this car, y'all will see me. I'll be out there. I have some bass. Don't worry. Peace and bass. I know y'all probably saying, bruh, why didn't you do that in the first place? Don't thumb this video down. Give it a thumb up. Stay tuned for more. Much, much more to come. All right, y'all, I'm out.